By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to build an advanced HubSpot report for your startup. In a recent video, we covered the basics of building a HubSpot report. We focused on tracking contacts by status and deals by stage. If you haven't seen it yet, I suggest you check it out before continuing with this one. Take your time and join us when you're ready. Are you ready? Let's continue. When it comes to sales teams, it's important to track individual performance. In this case, I already have a chart showing all my contacts or leads by stage. But I also want to see the same data grouped by contact owner. HubSpot provides us with the owner ID, but we can't link it to the rep's email address. To do this, go to your HubSpot account settings, click on Properties, search for Owner, and select Contact Owner. Here, you'll find the exact ID and the corresponding rep. Next, we'll create a Google Sheet to establish the relationship and connect it to Latitude. Go to Settings, then Data Sources, and select Add New Data Source. Follow the steps to set up your Google Sheet. Now, back in the canvas. Let's add the Google Sheet and perform an inner join on the HubSpot Owner ID. After the join, I'll add a word block that will allow us to filter by specific rep, and it will be very useful in the final view of the report. Stick around until the end to see how it works. Finally, add a bar chart and voila! You can now see the number of contacts in each stage and how many are owned by different reps. If you know someone who could be interested in this, please share it, and don't forget to hit the like button. It's deal time now! For a sales team, it's crucial to track the creation of new deals over time to ensure a healthy pipeline. I already had a chart that displays all my deals by stage, but now I want to group them by date. To do this, I'll use a simple code block to transform the date format. It's a straightforward process. Once the transformation is done, I can reconnect the original bar chart and add a new line chart to visualize the deals created over time. Last, it's important to showcase and share these charts with your team. I'll select all the charts and the word block to filter by email. Then, simply click on Create a new view at the top. And that's pretty much it. You now have a more complete HubSpot report where you can easily filter the results by a specific rep. Just type in their emails in the word filter. Now let's set to share. Copy the link to view and share it with your team members. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get inspired to build other data apps for your startup with these videos.